Hello, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we want to update and just make a new version of the video about how to create your private app for Hubspot so you can connect your account, from the widget to Hubspot. The idea is to send the leads to Hubspot from your WhatsApp widget. So let's see how it's done. It's very easy. I mean, it's just literally 3 clicks. We need to click on the settings icon up here. Then we go to integrations, and then we go to private apps. Here we can have a few apps already working, and we can make a new app. To make a new app, we put a name. We can add a logo if we want. We can add a description. That's not needed. We go to scopes. Scope is what is new, and we put contact. Here we need to choose objects, contacts, and schemas so we can send the data. That's it. When you make this, you can create the app. Continue. And the app is ready. This is the token. This is the API key. We need to copy and we need to put it in your account. So let's go to your account. Let's go here. We go to integrations. We go to Hubspot and we put the API key. That's it. You click save. We validate the integration. So we confirm the integration is done. And that's it. Your leads are going to go from the widget to Hubspot. That's it.